Tired of your PayPal funds being stuck and needing a way to spend them in the Philippines? This video will show you exactly how to transfer your money from PayPal to GCash, step by step. First, open your GCash app and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, under the Services section, find and tap on Cash In. You'll see a list of cash in options. Select PayPal if this is your first time linking your accounts. You'll be prompted to link your PayPal account to your GCash account. Tap on Link. You'll be redirected to a secure PayPal page. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Review the permissions requested by GCash and then tap on Agree and Link. Back on the GCash app, tap on Accounts to open the eWallet dashboard. Your linked PayPal account will appear on the list. Now to transfer funds, go back to the Cash In screen and select PayPal again. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your PayPal account to your GCash wallet. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum transfer limits that may apply. Review the transaction details, paying close attention to the fees, if any, and the exchange rate. Confirm the transfer. The transfer is usually instant. You will receive a confirmation message in your GCash app and via SMS, and that's it. You've successfully transferred money from PayPal to GCash. Please note that processing times and potential verification requirements may vary depending on your account status and the amount you're transferring. Now, go enjoy your money.